Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where the laptop touchpad is not working, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, if the mouse was not working, then that would have been a different thing. But if the laptop's own touchpad is not working, then here's what you can try. Physically clean the switch of the touchpad. Okay, use a dry cloth for it and then check if it helps. There is also a function key. I'll mention check function key, which can lock the touchpad. So make sure that the function lock along with touchpad is open, and I'll tell you about it. There's one key amongst F1 to F10 which is used to lock and unlock touchpad. It works in tandem with the Fn key. Please try pressing them together to check if it helps. Then run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. The command is msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic. Copy it. Press the Windows key and R button together, delete everything in the field, paste it here and hit enter. This will open the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Click on next and it will start detecting problems. The next solution is to update the touchpad driver. Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for mice and other pointing devices. Right click on each one of them and then select update driver. For each one of them, update drivers. The last solution will be to check the touchpad settings. Is it even enabled at the first place? So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to Bluetooth and devices, scroll down to touchpad and make sure that this switch is on. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.